Hello, my name is Sean Chase, and I recently ordered several things from HobbyKing, and one of the things was this low voltage battery alarm that is supposed to sound when one of your cells is below a certain limit. I'm gonna assume it's somewhere around 3 volts. I don't know, but anyway, it is defective. I messaged HobbyKing on their support site that it directed me to, and with a description, they replied back, of course, asking for a description of what the problem was. So I kind of reiterated and asked for pictures, and said, "Are there any pictures?" And I said, "No, there's no physical damage, but it doesn't work right." And I offered to do a, hey, I can do a quick video and put it on YouTube. And he said, "Sure." So, okay, I'll do this video. Guess I'll first start with showing you there's nothing wrong with it. It looks about right. See this little clear plastic heat shrink on it. I'm gonna plug it into a. We have two, LiPo batteries here. I got a generic. I got a name brand Park Zone. People that are familiar with them, and of course I put Dean's connectors on both. So also in my delivery, I got this neat little HobbyKing cell checker, and I gotta admit, it is pretty cool for just a few bucks. It'll quickly tell you how your batteries are doing. So let's see how they are. And I just took a Sharpie and marked where the ground's supposed to be. Make it easier. See the first battery here. Park Zone, 3 cells, 12.2 volts, looks good. 4.08, 4.1, and 4.09. That's a pretty good battery right there, and they're all all cells are relatively balanced. Let's look at this generic right here. It's been through a few hard landings. What do we have on this? 3 cells. 4.4, 1.6, 4.15. This is another very good battery. So we have using HobbyKing's little cell checker. That's good. Let me show you what happens when I plug it in. Take it to plug it into the charge port. Doesn't work. Something that's kind of interesting is it has LEDs, one for each cell, and you'll notice, watch the third one. It'll kind of go in and out, but showing it's kind of good and then not good, kind of good and not good, but just the same. Let's see. Doesn't want to play. Second battery, maybe it'll do on this one. Bad. So I dabble in hobby electronics, and I have just a simple jumper cable with some leads. So we plug in the red into ground. So we got the red, black, yellow, and green, and I have corresponding jumper leads on this side. So plug in black into ground. So our red into ground. So I'll start with red to ground. Done. Then black was next. And still no life here. That's cool. It's a 2 to 4 cell checker, not a 1 cell checker. So next in the line is yellow. Oh, started to beep, and then bam. So those 2 cells it likes. So for 2 cells, this would be great. Third cell, same stuff as before. So yeah, defective product, and I would like a credit for the cost of this product, and maybe something to compensate for shipping. And I'll be more than happy to spend some more money at hobbyking.com. But just like some credit for this busted part. That's all. Have a great day.